নমস্কাৰ বন্ধু বান্ধৱীসকল। আজি মই লৈ আহিছোঁ জেনেৰেল নলেজ আছাম হিষ্ট্ৰী MCQ কুৱেশ্যন পেপাৰ, মানে মষ্ট কমন কুৱেশ্যনছ ইয়াৰ পৰা আহে। চ' আহকচোন চাওঁ কুৱেশ্যনবোৰ এবাৰ। 1 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যন, ইন হুইচ ইয়েৰ দি কলনিয়েল ইৰা অফ আছাম ৱাজ বিগেন উইথ দ্য ইষ্টাব্লিছমেণ্ট অফ ব্ৰিটিছ কণ্ট্ৰল আফটাৰ দ্য ট্ৰিটি অফ ইয়াণ্ডাবু? আনচাৰ এ 1826। প্ৰশ্ন নম্বৰ 2, ইন দ্য 4th century which dynasty marked the beginning of ancient Assam? Answer B, Burman dynasty. প্ৰশ্ন 3 নম্বৰ, when was the Ahom kingdom established by Sukafa? উত্তৰ হৈছে C, 1228. Who established the Mlekcha dynasty in Kamarupa kingdom, Assam? Answer B, Salastamba. 5 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো, proto-historic Assam has been reconstructed from folklore epics like? Answer হৈছে C, Mahabharata. 6 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে, the history of Assam can be divided into? Answer হৈছে B, into 4 eras. 7 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো, the ancient era of Assam began in the 4th century with the mention of Kamarupa in Samudragupta's Allahabad pillar. 8 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্ন, who was the last ruler of Burman dynasty of Kamarupa kingdom? Answer D, Bhaskar Burman. Question number 9, in which century Pala dynasty was came into existence? উত্তৰ হৈছে C, 9th century. 10 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে, who established the Koch dynasty in the Kamata kingdom in 16th century? Answer হৈছে B, Biswa Singha. 11 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো, when did first Anglo-Burmese war take place? Answer A, 1824. 12 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো, who was the founder of the Sutia kingdom at Swarnagiri, Assam? Answer C, Birpal. 13 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে, in which year the Battle of Saraighat was fought between the Mughal Empire and Ahom kingdom? Answer হৈছে D, in 1671. 14 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্ন, in which year the Assam region was separated from the Bengal presidency? Answer to হৈছে B, in 1874. 15 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে, when did Gondhar Konwar, Dhanjai Borgohai and their followers rose in revolt against the British occupation of Assam? Answer A, 1828. 16 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো, when did the Assam movement or Assam agitation take place? Answer D, 1979 to 1985. 17 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্ন, the Magadha Empire was founded by whom in the 4th century BCE? Answer B, Bimbisara. 18 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে, in 1185 who established the Khen dynasty and the Kamata kingdom? Answer C, Prithu. 19 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্ন, who was the second ruler of the Sutia kingdom in the 13th century? Answer B, Ratnadwajpal. 20 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো, when did Alauddin Hussein Shah of Gaur remove the last Khen ruler of Kamata Kingdom? Answer C. 1498. Fulaguri Dhawa, the first pleasant uprising against British rule, was repressed in 1861. 22 number প্ৰশ্নটো, who established the rule of the Tunkhungia clan of the Ahom kings? Answer B. Gadadhar Singha. The Battle of Itakhuli was fought in 1682 between the Ahom kingdom and the Mughal Empire. In 1520, who defeated the Ahom kings? Answer A. Dharmat Wajpal. 25 নম্বৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে, who removed the last Khan ruler of Kamata kingdom?